Today I'm gonna explain how to flush and clean 2008 sedan Toyota Yaris Heater core. Spray a little bit WD-40 to loosen and unfasten the sticky hoses. In fact, it frees sticky mechanisms. But safety precautions and warnings should be taken when using WD-40, which is written on the bottle. Before spray, it's better for the engine to be cool because WD-40 is flammable. Now put the container under the engine firewall on the ground and disconnect the hoses. To allow loosening, you can use adjustable or monkey pliers. Oops, little excess, that's why it's hard to loosen. It's necessary to distance and move the inlet and outlet hoses from the heater core, so pressurized water does not enter the hoses. Put the water hose into the heater core outlet and let the coolant and grime to be drained. Repeat the process with the water hose to the heater core inlet. Replenish the heater core with coolant by a syringe, which is easier to squirt.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my bright makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing all my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing all my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what
After filling the syringe with the coolant, squirt the heater core outlet, then heater core inlet.
When you're crushing all my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing all my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do.
This process twice or 3 times till the heater core is full of liquid.
I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Replace damaged or rusty hose clamps before reinstalling the hoses. Each hose reaches one nozzle only, so it's easy to determine which goes where. start the engine and check the inlet and outlet hoses if there is any leakage in the system or not. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Have a nice time. Good day.